friends, I welcome you again in further topic because in like this I make video. Yeah, that's my English can be improved. So in when I speak that time every word every translate is mistake, but for that I don't worry because in unless you will not you will not you will not do mistake. Please you tell me when will you when can you learn English. So this time can be mistake. Yeah, thousand mistake, no problem. So friends, I want to say you in this world nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Whatever you want, you can do. But for that, you have to laborious, you have to hard work. Yeah. Immediately like this, you will think that as far as minds come to knowledge, I say for that another person what are saying you don't think about them. Yeah. In what kind of you can learn in only another professor. Yeah. Who person is completed PhD, that person what is saying, please you follow that. Yeah. And daily by daily, in about in you study 8 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour till. Yeah. You study 8 hour, 10 hour, daily by daily, you sit down. Yeah. After that, in 1 year after, 3 years after, what is situation? Your study, where will where will reach? Please, you can't imagine. Yeah. But our villager person like this happen that we don't want we don't want we don't want steady. Yeah. Only in what kind of can be money like this thing. But as far as minds come to knowledge, I am saying you that unless you will not practice, unless you will not hard work, you can't learn the English. So I want to say you, please, I am saying you that whatever your mind, please you can do. So friends, one thing I want to say you, in some time it's happened that my heart is says that no, in like this practice, your English will be improved. So today my will be topic in this time already you know that this time is going on already coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. Every place you will go, every person will speak about this so that in there are many person has killed. Yeah, in there are many person is increasing for from in this virus. So please, this time all persons should be at home. Yeah, and in this time my district my district has not come in that virus. So for that I'm very happy as far as I know. So I want to say you as far as mobiles come to knowledge, I'm saying you that sometimes it's happened another person is thinking another person is thinking that what I'm doing here, but what I'm doing here only I can now. Yeah. friends, in my side is weather very fine. There are today there is no sunlight. Yeah, there are very beautiful weather. Yeah, I know that which translate which is which word is will be used in this time. Yeah, my translation is not correct, but in daily by daily in life just practice one day will be correct every word. Yeah, that every day please in first of all your conjunction you improve and preposition and active passive voice direct indirect in like this daily by daily you watch video and you make after that your English in what kind of is making please you can say. So friends, today my topic will be in like this matter in whatever my mind I spoke. So my video is ending.